Now, the system you're describing, man, it could be driving learning at an optimized rate in multiple dimensions, mathematical, semantic, skill-based, conceptual, simultaneously
memory
for hours. Memory training for hours a day. Like, one of the things that appalls me about our education system is with the computer technology we have now, every child should be an expert word and letter recognizer, and they should be able to, say, read music, because a computer can teach a kid how to automatize perception with extreme precision and accuracy, way better than a human teacher can manage. But we haven't capitalized on that technology at all. But the technology that you're describing, like, it'll be able to figure out at what level of comprehension you're capable of reading. Then it can calculate what book you should read next that would slightly exceed that level of comprehension. And it'll just keep you on that edge, in that zone, nonstop.